Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the iLEPO USB charger with digital USB display, which outputs 40 watts at 8 amp and has 8 USB ports. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I ordered this item, this USB multi-port charger, from Amazon, as I think this is not only going to be useful to me in lockdown, whilst I'm at home, but also when travelling, whenever that happens at some point in the hopefully not too distant future. So, packaging was a bit bashed as it arrived from Amazon, and as you can see, lots of good information, nice depiction of the product, and some basic specifications here. But the way it arrived from Amazon, the corner was a bit ripped, there was already a few bashes on the packaging. I wasn't too happy about that, and I'll have to give some Amazon feedback on that. But the product on the inside seems to be brand new, there's no issues there. I suppose that's what packaging is for, is to keep the product nice and pristine whilst it's stored and shipped wherever that happens. So as you can see, we've got smart USB charger, the specifications 5 volt at 8 amp max, and the ports and a nice little digital display here that shows you the voltage and amperage and the number of USB ports connected. So this is iLEPO. I had never heard of this brand. Nothing to do with a Syrian city. Let us undo the cable, and what we're going to do is do a live demo of this. I'm going to plug this in using the UK plug. It's a UK fused plug. And as you can see on this end, we have the 2-pin connector. I'm going to do it this way so that we can keep an eye on the connector. So there we go. So you can see at the moment it's come on once plugged in, and it says that it's 5.2 volts and no connected USB ports and 0 amperages going through the device. So what I'm going to do now is connect one by one a series of USB devices to this product, and we're going to see how it fares. So let's start off with something a bit basic. So this is my Xiaomi A2 Lite. This is an Android One device, which I also had engraved. Let's see what that looks like. And we're going to plug that into port number 1. So plugged in, I'm using a short micro USB cable because that's what that takes. It's obviously charging because the Xiaomi A2 Lite has actually switched on, and we can see that it's outputting 5.2 volt at 0.3 amp, and it's flashing that it has one device connected. Okay, so far so good. Let's try one of these cables that I bought in Shenzhen, China, when the Tech Travel Geeks went on their tour of Singapore and the Big Bay in South China. And I'm going to plug that in, and this time we're going to plug in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, which is a fantastic device. You can check out the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the device on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. A review of that is coming up. And as you can see, we are getting a charging indicator on the device. It seems to be doing the job. And we indicate that we have 5.1 volt and 0.3 amps. 1.2 amps. It's variable depending on how much power is being pulled by the devices. Now, for the next device we're going to plug in, let's unplug or plug in the Huawei P40. Another device we're currently reviewing here on the Tech Travel Geeks. The review will be out soon, as will the full camera review. This is a fantastic camera smartphone with a few limitations due to Google licensing. Interesting. So this one does not seem to be charging. Let's try again. Oh no, it is. So there we go. It is now charging, 90% charge. Put that down. Let's connect a Google Pixel 4 XL. So this is the chunky one. So this is the fourth port we're connecting. And it is indicating a charge. Put that down. So currently 4 ports plugged in. It's now only showing 2, so it's not, doesn't seem to be great in that respect. Let's try a different type of cable again, one that we purchased in China, this time with the Oppo Reno 2, another smartphone we did a full review of on the Tech Travel Geeks. And I'm going to plug that in, and I'm definitely getting a charging signal there. Pop that down. And interestingly, it only shows 4 as actively charging. 3. The number on the screen is not always the number that we have. So we have 5 devices plugged in. It's showing 5, but then it goes, ticks up and down. It must be fluctuating for some reason. So let's plug in another device. In this case, the lovely, lovely, colorful Xiaomi A3. This is another Android One device from Xiaomi. And as you can see, the Android One logo is coming up. That's charging as well. And let's make this fun. 2 more devices to go. Let us plug in the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet. So this is another popular device on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Check out that video of the unboxing and first impressions, as well as the setup. Yes, we're getting a charge there as well. So no issues there. So that's 7 devices plugged in. The flashing number on the screen indicates that there is 6, so one of them must not be pulling power. No, now it's 7. So it's varying. And last but not least, I'm going to use a lightning cable. Yes, that's one for the Apple fans. And plug that into port number 8. So this is a cable from Avius that we recently unboxed on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Check out that video if you'd like to know more about my mistaken purchase. But I'm going to plug in the iPhone 11. So that's a nice roster of devices. That's 7 devices using USB Type-C cables, plus my iPhone 11. And as you can see, all of them seem to be charging, and power is being output to them all. So I would say that overall that's a good sign. All of them are charging. It seems to be doing a good job of that. So, as I said, this is a handy device for travel. It will allow you to charge up to 8 devices at once, all using standard USB-A ports, as well as give you an indicator of how much power is being output. Now, the other good thing is that if you are traveling to somewhere you go frequently that has a different type of plug, having the cables with this 2-pronged output is quite common. So, for example, if you go to Europe a lot and have a European plug that has an output with this, that should do the job in powering that on. If not, you can always get a plug adapter. But I think that shows that the device works. It is quite sleek and compact. This is, as the warning says, for indoor use only, so please only use it indoor. Thank you for watching this unboxing. If you'd like to purchase the item, we'll add the link to Amazon in the description. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.